Wow, guys, what do you see? You are watching Camel's World, and I will be sharing the entire story of camels with you today. Please listen carefully and stay with me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon too. I will be grateful to you. So, guys, in the heart of the desert, a sea of camels stretched as far as the eye could see. The sun beat down relentlessly, casting a golden glow over the endless dunes. Merchants and traders from far and wide had gathered, eager to buy and sell these majestic creatures. The air was thick with the smell of sand, sweet, and smoke. Among the throng of camels, one young male stood out. His coat was a rich dark brown, and his hump was strong and well defined. He eyed the crowd with a mixture of curiosity and suspicion. His ears perked up and his tail twisting. As the day wore on, the sun beat down with increasing intensity. The merchants and traders shouts shed beneath colorful wings, while the camels clustered together, seeing relief from the heat. The young male camel wandered through the crowd is scanning the sea of faces. One of the camels, a majestic female with a coat as white as snow, caught his eye. She was larger than others, with a regal bearing that commanded respect. The young male camel felt a surge of admiration for her, and he began to make his way through the crowd, his eyes fixed on hers. As he approached, the female camel turned to face him. She regarded him calmly, her eyes assessing him with a piercing intelligence. The young male camel felt a shiver run down his spine, and he knew that he was in presence of something truly special. The two camels stood therefore a moment locked in a silent understanding. Then, without warning, the female camel let out a loud bellow, and the young male camel responded in kind. The sound of their voices echoed across the desert, a primal call that seemed to shake the very foundations of the earth. The crowd erupted into cheers and applause, and the merchants and traders rushed forward, eager to buy and sell these magnificent creatures. The young male camel and the female camel stood at the center of it all, their eyes locked on their other as they surveyed the choice around them. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the desert, the camels were led away. Their new owners just began their journey. The young male camel and the female camel walked side by side, their heads held high as they disappeared into the distance, their voice carrying on the wind. The desert was quiet. On his spot, the only sound, the soft resulting of sand beneath the feet of the departing camels, but the memory of that day would live on a testament to the enduring power and beauty of these magnificent creatures. The air was electric with activity as thousands of camel mingled and merged into a chaotic yet mesmerizing spectacle. Some camels feeling particularly playful pressed and danced their humps bobbing up and down as they toiled. Others more subdued munched on hay or lazily surveyed the sand. But what struck the most was the cacophony of sounds that filled the air. Camels of all shapes and sizes let out a variety of grunts, groans, and moans, each one uniquely expressive. There were the high pitched squeaks of the young Calvis until instantly on their legs the deep rumbling growls of the mature males asserting their domains and the soft gentle hums of the females soothing their and Near was young. The net result was a symphony of sounds, both familiar and strange, that enveloped and interested all who listened. So, guys, as the sun beat down relentlessly, the camels and their handlers continued their ancient dance. Deals were struck and animals changed hands, but amidst all the hustle and bustle, it was the camels themselves that remained the true stars of the show, majestic, boisterous, and mesmerizing. They strode across the desert sands. Thar Parker, their cries and calls, Pakistan, Sindh, encouraging out into the endless dunes.